Hello, I am going to show you uh, my new scraper, okay, that has scrapped this website, okay. I got an order from a client to scrap this website, okay. Let me show you where the data exists. Okay, so here is all of the data, all of the categories with data, okay. So I write a script for this. Here is the script, okay, to scrap emails. Let me show you the emails. To scrap emails, okay, and save it into Excel. So here are the emails available. As you can see, link, email, okay, and name. So here is the data. As you can see, I have scrapped from this website. It's almost 7k. So that's it. If you want work like that, contact me. So I will deliver you data in just one day. Okay, bye. Thank you.